My video guide will provide you with instructions to remove fake browser update alerts coming from the site Restorefreeheavilythefile.vip. Some people may unexpectedly see these pop-ups to attack their browsers, such as Google Chrome and other browsers based on the Chromium open source project. The website Restorefreeheavilythefile.vip actually tries to mislead people and to force them into downloading and installing some unwanted browser extensions. The developers of this pop-up and the extension claim that you'll be able to block annoying ads on your browser, but in reality this extension may change a lot of crucial browser settings, such as the default homepage, default search engine, and the new tab URL. So please be very careful. Do not interact with these misleading pop-ups and fake Chrome update alerts. If you have mistakenly installed any unwanted extensions, you should disable and delete them. So go to the menu of the Google Chrome browser, click on More Tools, then choose Extensions. So carefully disable and remove any third-party extensions you might find here. Now, to make sure that your Windows computer is free of any other hidden threats, I recommend scanning the system with a Combo Cleaner antivirus. The best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the application, and start examining your computer with its help to detect and delete all other possibly hidden threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner anti-ransomware and anti-malware, you need to select the preferred scan type. But the program is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. So click on Start Scan button. First of all, the program will update its antivirus database. And after that process is successfully completed, the program will begin scanning your system. The scanning may take several minutes depending on how infected your computer is. Then the program will give you the detailed and complete summary of threats that were found during the scan. Then you will be able to find out the exact location of all these threats at the end of scan in the complete summary of infections that were revealed during the scan. You may go to Settings of Combo Cleaner and reveal the excellent feature called Anti-Ransomware. This specific feature, of course, is a part of the premium license, and it gives you the opportunity to add several folders that will be properly protected by Combo Cleaner Premium version against all sorts of ransomware attacks. So if you add some of the folders on your computer to the Combo Cleaner Shield, these folders and the data that they contain will be protected against encryption by all sorts of ransomware. So, as you see, this is the summary of threats found during the scan. You may remove them manually, one threat at a time, or consider upgrading to the premium version of the program to remove these threats automatically.